So where would I recommend this for you in your house? If you just want to brighten up your garage for a while, if you have a rec room, a basement, something like that, you don't want to prep and prime and use the cement floor paint. Like, you're not going for perfect, you're just going for a wash of color to kind of pop it up. This is your method. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm taking just a bucket of water because I want to kind of get a skim coat. All right, so I'm literally just going to put like water down here. We already mopped. Okay. So this is all been mopped and cleaned and washed. I'm going, what am I going for? I'm going for Tanglewood green, of course. I just painted this the green color that I'm going to use. It's already on there, so I'm not worried about it. Okay? It's on, the paint's already on my thing. I'm not even rolling more in. There's a little bit there. It's a little gunky. I'm going to take some off. All right, now pretend you're basically mopping with paint. Okay, watch. See? Just let it slosh around. Don't worry about the lines, and that's why I put the water here. We're letting the paint just sloshy slosh. Sloshy slosh. Isn't it gorgeous? I know sometimes you people think I'm crazy. Your husbands certainly do. I've heard those stories. But no, we're just moving it around. Here's where we can do a couple of things. You can either slosh it around. You don't want it to look like paint strokes like this. You want it to kind of be a little bit more freeform. That's why I add a lot of water. So it kind of puddles as you leave it. But if it's not puddling the way you want it, here's an idea. Just take a damp rag. I'm just gonna walk on it. I'm just gonna do it. Okay. And you can kind of slosh it around a little bit. You can even take it and kind of rinse it out. See what I'm doing there? I'm just literally like making it splattery. Is that a word? It's okay if you leave it really puddly. Unless you have dogs or children who are going to come running through it. So let's keep that off limits. It's okay if it's puddly because as it dries, it'll just be thicker and thinner in different parts, but it's nice and bright. That's just it. No, you don't need to seal it. You don't need to do anything. Nothing. You're just basically taking the pigment out of the paint, breaking it down with water. It won't last forever, but it'll give a nice little pop. And you can even add other colors on top of it. You can paint some flowers on it. You can have some fun with it. If you absolutely love it and you want it to stay that way forever, sure. Get some floor sealant and cover it up. But for me, I'll just let it go until it fades away.